The new Keyhelp version 25.1 is now available. This video gives you an overview of the most important new features of the update. Databases can now be restored as SQL files to any location in the file system. The target database does not have to exist in advance, as was previously the case. To do this, go to the Backup menu item and click on Restore Backup. Then select the backup and the desired database and click on the Restore Databases as SQL File button below. Then simply enter the desired restore location. It is now also possible to receive email notifications when a repository cleanup fails. The message text and other options can be customized via Configuration, Notifications. Previously, this error was only displayed in the backup overview and in the log files. With the Keyhelp Pro version, custom services can now also be integrated into the administration interface in the menu item System Status Server Service Management. These user-defined entries can be managed in the same way as the already integrated services. The current status can be viewed, and the services can also be started and stopped here. Under User Administration, Client Groups, Keyhelp Pro now also allows you to combine multiple user accounts into customer groups. Within such a group, users can easily switch between the associated accounts with a click, without having to log in again directly via the dashboard. This function simplifies administration if separate user accounts have been created for different customer projects. In the monitoring area, additional diagrams are also available to visualize the network throughput and the number of web server requests in a selected time period. The one-click installer now also supports additional applications. The helpdesk software FreeScout, Bookstack, a solution for documentation and knowledge organization, as well as the content management system Graph are now available. Keyhelp 25.1 also includes an integrated patch function. Under Configuration, Patch Manager, minor bug fixes and updates can be applied between the main versions at the click of a mouse. An overview of all changes can be found in the changelog at changelog.keyhelp.de.